Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy, and if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Kindly subscribe, share and like my videos, and also put on your notification bell to be notified when I upload new tutorials. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this simple off-shoulder top. And if this is what you're interested in, let's get started. The name of this fabric is called an Ankara print fabric, and I made use of 1.5 yards. So 36 inches is 1 yard and 18 inches is half yard, which made it 1.5 yards altogether. Now the next thing to do is to fold this fabric from the width equally. Now from the length of this fabric, I went ahead to fold the fabric into two again. So I practically folded this fabric into four. For this top, you would be needing two important measurements, which would be the round of shoulder and the length of the top. Now to take the round shoulder measurements, I placed my tape around my chest and shoulder. And what I had here is 40 inches. So my round off shoulder is 40 inches. Alright, since my round shoulder measurement is 40 inches, I'll be adding extra 15 inches to that, and that will make it 55 inches altogether. So make sure to also add the 15 inches to your round shoulder measurement as well. Now from the tip of this fold, I'll be placing the radius of my round shoulder measurement, which will be 55 inches divided by 6.28, which is 8.75, but I approximated it to 8.8. Now I placed my tape from the tip of the fold, like I said earlier, to mark 8.8 inches from the top of the fold. The next step is to mark the desired length of your top. Now I placed my tape from this point vertically downwards, and what I have here is 13.5 inches. So I'll just work with 13.5 inches all through. Now I'll place my tape on the first curve vertically downwards to keep marking 13.5 inches all through. So if you want your top to be shorter than mine, then you can reduce the length, but 13.5 inches is okay for me as it will cover my tummy. The next step is to add half-inch sewing allowance to the top of the off shoulder circumference. The next step is to cut out the edges following the direction of the chalk. Now I went ahead to spread out the fabric. Now I took the fabric to my overlocking machine to overlock the inner circle. After overlocking the inner circle, I folded it in by 1 inch in such a way that a half-inch elastic band can easily be inserted into the fold. And on getting to the point where I started the stitching, I would leave a 1 inch distance in which the elastic would be inserted into the elastic casing. So I've properly secured the edges of the fold. To know the length of the elastic you need to be inserted into the elastic casing, since my actual round shoulder measurement is 40 inches, I subtracted 10 inches from that, which made it 30 inches. So the length of the elastic I'll be inserting into the elastic casing is 30 inches. Now I took the top to my sewing machine to stitch the two ends of the elastic together. And after the two ends of the elastic was stitched properly, I inserted the elastic into the casing to close the opening in which the elastic was passed through using a straight stitch. The final step is to secure the hem of the top by folding it half inch in and further folding it in by half inch all through the hem. Alright guys, so this is the final outcome of the off shoulder top. It's very simple and it came out very beautiful. So if this tutorial was helpful, kindly subscribe, share and like my tutorial, and also turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload new tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in my next tutorial.